It's what it sounds like when you're pulling a condom off, don't it? Like, it fucking hurts, dude. You know what I mean? Don't bend on your
I think you gotta, like, you've been wearing condoms wrong or taking them off wrong or something. Dude. If it hurts, you ain't doing it right.
On the stem. At the beginning of the shaft.
Well, I mean, I can understand, like, you know, pulling your fucking hair and shit, but, like, if it's actually hurting your shaft to take condom off, you're doing something extremely fucking wrong, dude.
Don't look on Google. Like,
how to remove condoms.
You're doing it wrong. Don't yank it from the very tip of it.
Dude, you have 47 kids. Condoms. You're doing it wrong. Ka-snap!
Ka-snap!
The fucking condom just flies everywhere. I guess I am doing it wrong.
I hate to see my door.
It is hot.
Hot tamales. Now listen. Whistle Pig is not like Makers.
What's that mean?
Which means it's not like, oh, did it smooth. So you jackknife it, and I warn you now.
Dude, Makers is not smooth.
Well.
This is 100 proof. This is 100 proof.
What is 100 proof?
Whistle Pig is 100 proof.
Whistle Pig's 100 proof?
Whistle Pig is 100 proof.
Damn, I didn't know it was 100 proof.
Makers is 94 proof.
Damn, well, it's a step up, I guess.
A small step up, but a step up nonetheless.
Nonetheless.
Not mumbaless.
Mumbaless. You were right.
Yeah, I know I was.
He downstairs. It was like, dude, you should really cut yourself.
I was like, one more and then we're good. He's like, nah.
I'm like, who are you telling me that? He's just like a responsible friend. I said, I can't argue.
Hey everybody, Gutter, guest star Bird here for Gutter's blah blah fucking blah.
Next time you do that, you should just do like a seal. You know, because sometimes in my head, maybe it's the mushrooms from the past. I don't know.
Whenever I'm talking, you just hear.
You sound like a seal that wants a ball. You're like.
But anyway,
like
this is
fucking. You know what I mean? Like those big elephants.
I understand
that fight at each other like.
But anyway, this is the third episode of this run of Gutter's blah blah fucking blah, and we are getting exponentially drunk.
Because I don't remember the name.
Because Bird has brought also along Whistle Pig, and he's like, "You're drinking Whistle Pig. I'm not drinking Whistle
Please
Pig."
Don't thrust my Whistle Pig around.
He's like, "You're drinking the Whistle Pig." So I looked at it, and Whistle Pig is 100
proof. It says on the
proof.
back, "Please do not shake. Will cause explosion."
Yeah. But anyway, on this episode, we're moving forward to 90's commercials now. 90's. The last time that people could have fun. You remember the 90's, dude? When you could get away with, like, shit? When the most you had was a fucking pager? You know?
Yeah. When Hollywood child molestation run rampant.
Well, that one ran rampant.
Probably a lot before that.
And a lot after that, too. But anyway, before we start talking about Hollywood child molestation, let's just start this.
Okay. They probably have
oh, hey! Listen, George MV. I can still remember the Muzzy commercials, dude. They used to run the Muzzy commercials. Dude, I don't want 100 proof. Fuck. I don't want 100 proof Whistle Pig, dude. Let me smell the Whistle Pig.
Just do the Whistle Pig. Don't worry about it. Don't smell it. Just do it.
Oh, dear Jesus. Oh, dude, it burned my fingers when I took the fucking cap off.
What do you get? What do you expect? $90 a bottle.
$90 fucking dollars! $90 fucking dollars for this!
Unique method.
For this liquid that tastes like absolute fucking trash water.
It tastes like fucking hell.
Dude, this is like a $40 bottle. A $40 bottle. And it's got the fancy fake wax on it and everything else. $90 for 6 more proof. And it ain't got no fancy nothing going in on it.
How do you get it?
I used to do aerobics.
And it's trash water. I'm not calling this a bad brand. I'm saying that all whiskey and hey, Suzanne Summers, but still looks pretty decent.
Speaking of trash water, sorry.
But anyway,
I didn't mean Susan Summers was trash water.
Oh, dude, I don't want 100 proof.
The secret to shapely thighs is exercising these muscles with just the right resistance.
That's all you're gonna
This
do?
balanced resistance coil is designed to give you results quickly and
Dude, that's almost a full fucking shot. I didn't want to spill it all over the fucking place as I'm getting
I'm not worried
exponentially
about you
drunker.
spilling it all over the place.
I am! I don't want
I'm worried
whiskey
about
all...
you barfing all.
Oh, dude, I ain't gonna fucking barf. Once again, instead of hanging out with my friends on Discord,
My friend.
I'm hanging out with a real life friend and getting exponentially drunk watching 90s commercials. Oh, fuck, you don't have a drink, dude.
Don't worry about me.
Oh, fuck you!
Worry about you.
When the slime geyser erupts, it's time for news you can use from...
That's why I call my
Slime
penis.
Gassing
The
up
slime
Slime
geyser.
guys?
Slime geyser.
Check out my slime geyser.
hair nets and rubber
Ooh, that's a good one. I like slime geyser. I'm gonna try that.
Yeah, man.
Get ready for the slime geyser.
Is that what you gotta say that to Jamie next time you're about to come?
Yeah.
Like,
slime geyser.
get ready for the slime geyser! Ah! And now half of our audience just threw up.
Yeah.
Cannibal!
Cannibal.
Hey, dude, Mr. Wizard, dude! I loved Mr. Wizard.
Mr. Wizard.
Dude, Mr. Wizard taught me all kinds of stuff about science.
Hey, look at that. She went underwater.
Okay.
No way, she's been scared of going underwater.
Oh, thanks for now giving me the context. You know, you went underwater. I'm like, so? Thank you for telling me that, there was a reason why you're happy about her going underwater. Because we thought she was a witch. But then she was underwater. And we were like, oh, okay.
We weren't gonna burn it, but we decided not.
Mr. Wizard's World.
Oh, lip. I
Stupid
can't talk.
Dude, I do have another compilation for a 4th episode. Are we going to do a 4th episode?
Ready or not, here I come.
And if we do a 4th episode, does that mean we have to do another shot?
Hey kids, in 10 years you're gonna have diabetes from eating all this shit we're selling.
Dude, it's Scott Wolf or whatever the fuck his name is.
My friend.
I don't know what his name is.
Is that really Scott Wolf?
This dude is a hunkin' chunk of easy chewing bubbly on bubbly.
That kid was in things like TV shows or something back in the day. I can't remember what his fucking name was.
Alright, my skin's starting to absorb the salt. Here we go.
Dude, I don't want this 100 proof
This
fucking...
is a chunk of super soft bubblegum bubblegum. This is a loud thumping.
Or you gotta get your game face on. You can't take it like that because you'll definitely be like, you gotta get your game face. Come on, let's go get psyched. Now, I want you to do the Hulk Hogan.
Dude, it's hot as fuck up here. You're having me drinking 100 proof
You
whiskey.
gotta do the Hulk Hogan. Yeah.
Hey, it's a kid from Pete and Pete. Dookie!
More fun.
Thousands will play, hundreds will win.
Oh! Toot toot whistle pig!
Boring.
Oh my god!
Prohibited subject to rules. Game ends 4:30:92.
Oh, whistle pig! Oh, whistle pig!
Damn.
You tasted mighty fine though.
Was it good?
It burnt like a motherfucker!
Daytime for news you
Woo!
Yeah, I put mine straight once and I was
It
like,
has
I gotta
kind
have
of-
some ice.
And it kind of has some like a cinnamony undertone or something to it. It's interesting.
and phone number for a chance to play.
Oh, it doesn't say dick all.
I've never tried anything aged 10 years. That's pretty.
Orlando, Florida.
I mean, I dug it when I put it over some ice.
Prime time, Fox 4025, Orlando, Florida 32857.
I was thinking if this said anything about how long this was aged for. It does
Still good. Maker's Mark. I don't give it's $40 a month. Still good shit.
not. Well, no, I mean it's kind of an expensive
More
bottle.
expensive doesn't always mean good. And Whistle Pig's just a good brand.
Yeah, and Maker's Coons has just become our brand. Yeah, it just has.
Yeah.
Because the mustache fits the bottle so perfectly, you know. I mean,
Look at the Google eyes.
look at it though, man.
I do have Google eyes.
I know, but it's you, so you say I'm bringing Google eyes, you'll never bring Google eyes.
I try to remember everything.
But you remember nothing. I try to remember everything, but I remember
Right
nothing.
before I leave the door, I'm like, honey, did you get this or that? Or honey, grab it. Or her lips comes up, it's like, Dad, put my shoes on her.
Dude, British Knights! British fucking Knights!
Dude, British Knights.
Do you not remember
I
British
did remember
Knights?
British Knights. I did remember it, and I did have it. We need to stop.
What, the drinking?
No, one more. Let's go.
No! If we're doing that next episode. Oh, wait a minute. Why am I agreeing to that? I don't want another one.
You gonna stick with Whistle?
I don't want none neither. I don't want none.
I don't want none neither.
Where's your homework, Bird?
Dog ate it.
It's my brother's holding it for ransom.
So, we're halfway through this episode. Have we seen one commercial yet? Or have we just been drinking and rambling?
I think we just been drinking. Man.
Welcome to Trapper Keepers! But welcome to our lives. They ran.
Remember, like, back in the day when everybody would take, like, paper bags, like, you know what I mean, like brown paper bags and make covers for their books and everything, and write shit on it, draw pictures, you know?
Except for people like me that can't draw worth a damn, so I never drew fuck all on them.
I can draw, like,
You can't
I can
draw
cartoon.
anything.
Not anything, but I can draw cartoon characters pretty well.
When the slime guys are erupting.
Well, we were talking about on a watch party how we need to create a worst movies on fucking coloring book. With like fucking Joan DeHart sitting there on stage going, "Ah, damn!"
I want somebody to
And a raw
animate our
news.
rants. When sometimes we rant about shit, I want somebody to animate that.
Oh, dude, people don't like us. People don't like us enough to actually
People
do
don't like
things
us.
about us.
Well, thank you for depressing me.
Oh, yeah, no problem, dude.
Thank you. Appreciate all the depression. What the hell is that?
Something has to do with Omer's glue. I got heartburn like a motherfucker from that goddamn whistle pig.
Not a pain, but a glue in outstanding color. Sticky dangles. And bingo! For blue colors and water in a
Ugh.
shape. Magnifique.
Oh shit, I remember this commercial. I remember that chick going, "Hey, it's Dwayne Wade glasses." Flap. You know, dude, I had a pair of Dwayne Wade glasses when I was a kid.
Did you?
Yeah.
I'm the master of the rhythm here to sing.
Did you have, dude?
In a major way.
They just love whenever everything back in the day was like, we're gonna use rap, because rap's big.
But to get the fruity taste, I got a trick friend. Fruity.
Yeah, whatever.
Guess that's a wrap.
Fruity Pebble cereal, part of this nutritious breakfast. Yabba-dabba delicious.
Not what
Yeah, but
that's-
dabba delicious.
It's like Marge's hair.
Nickelodeon.
I loved Nickelodeon back in the day.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Guys are on look
Like, you can't do that on television. Fucking, yeah, all that shit. I don't know. I do not want any more liquor.
What the hell is this? Because I've seen this 1,000 times, and I kept on talking through it. It was just a giant mechanical dick
It's a
blowing.
slime fucking geyser. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call my cock.
We did all our summer
Slime.
vacation. Coming next Sunday right here on Nick.
Oh,
It
shit.
is hot up here.
So when some chick accused you of sexual harassment, she'll just be like, he called it, it's slime geyser. No, we're like, that's him, alright.
It's the same place.
Yeah. I mean, no.
And all of this pals.
To me, anything that can't
Better be now. I don't want to be caught up. The only way we got famous is because one of us is a freak.
And does it really seem like I would be that person? Come on
I'll
now.
be on CNN and be like, I had no idea.
Say yes.
Oh shit, dude, we can't have this on here. Insensitive.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Warning, this is a romanticized version of the past.
Well, they didn't exactly treat what the hell was that actress's name? Damn it. And like, I'm treating her, I'm mistreating her because I don't remember. You know. What a plain man.
That would be just...
That was her name.
I
Damn
don't
it.
remember, dude.
Fuck.
I was never the biggest
They treated
fan.
her like a dick. They didn't let her in the Oscars or anything. I'm not saying the movie should be pulled down. For
Yeah.
whatever, you know, I'm just saying.
But yeah, I was never the biggest fan of Gone with the Wind. I've seen it a few times throughout the years, but I'm not. Kind of don't give a fuck. Kind of indifferent.
Well, I mean, like,
I understand.
Give a fuck about Gone with it. Jamie likes it, you know. I don't give a piss about it.
Yeah, I mean, I can appreciate it for like, you know, its place in history and like that kind of stuff, and you know the impact it made. It's hey, Sally
It's
Struthers.
like when you're like,
Dude, me and Trish were just talking about these commercials the other day,
she lost
The South-
weight. She must have cut down on all the poor kids.
but we were talking about the other day about these commercials, me and Trish.
And now at home, in your spare time,
What
you can
about
get your diploma.
I was
or
just
your
talking
degree.
about
Choose
them.
from
So I was like, do
Okay.
you remember this?
Say.
I was like, do you remember those Sally Struthers fucking correspondence school
Computer
commercials?
programming, electrician,
That was it.
No, the TV and VCR repair guy. I'm sure you're looking back like, damn it, I'm still paying this fucking school.
Look
And
at gun repair.
nobody even has a VCR.
Dude, let's learn gun repair. We're in Pennsylvania. I'm sure we can make all kinds of fucking money.
Right?
Call now for the free information.
We'll be like, we'll put a sign up like, we'll repair a gun for defense against Antifa. You'll see 1 billion people come in there.
Oh, dude, for real, for real.
Because they're stupid.
And then we can make all their guns, like, you know, inactive.
6,000.
Like banana tailpipe type thing?
Well, it's like take away the firing pin.
Oh, man. Let's do it.
So are we doing a 4th episode or are we ending it at 3? Because slime geyser.
Slime geyser. Your wiener.
But anyway, go down to the description below if you like these compilations and commercials, because obviously we had nothing to do with them. It's from like the 80s commercial vault or whatever the fuck it's called. It's down there.
Right. Somehow we managed to pervert the whole thing.
It means moronic.
What? We didn't pervert. I'm talking about like my cock, cum
Yeah, your
geyser.
cock
I mean,
time geyser, slicer,
slime geyser.
slicer.
Slicer. I don't remember Frosted Juniors. That sounds like, you know, something a cannibal would
I
eat.
remember the box. I don't remember ever eating them because this one of those ones you're like, yeah, I'm passing. I'm going right for the Lucky Charms. Bitch.
Oh, fuck Lucky Charms. Lucky Charms are gross. You can hate me if you fucking want. Lucky Charms are fucking gross. I hate the fucking marshmallows. I hate the Odie fucking crap cereal that came in it. I hate Lucky Charms. Fuck Lucky Charms, and now we get more cum geyser.
They're like, fuck you, Cum Geyser. I like Lucky Charms. Fuck you and your mechanical dick.
Hey, tell me your thoughts on Lucky Charms down in the fucking comments.
I'm sure you're gonna get a lot of people who are like, I like Lucky
I
Charms.
know.
And you're fat. You look like you love anything with sugar, Porky.
Well, I'm picky with my fucking cereal. I'm a fucking cereal snob.
There you go. There's your next shot.
Cereal snob. Oh, shit, dude, Mr. Wizard's... Oh, Mr. Wizard's gone.
Thank you for 10 seconds of Mr. Wizard.
Nickelodeon.
I was happy,
Was that
dude.
John Oliver? Or was it John?
Ren and Stimpy. I have nothing else to say at this right. And guess what? Cum Geyser again.
Oh, dude, how many times are we gonna see Cum Geyser?
A lot, it looks like.
It's gonna get to the point where when I get home and I'd be like, what'd you watch? Cum Geyser.
But dude, if my Cum Geyser was shooting out cum that color, I would have to go to the fucking doctor.
I would hope you'd go to the doctor. Like, doc, it's green.
I mean, like, bad green. Like lime green. Like Nickelodeon slime green.
It's not even like slimy, doc. It's just liquid. I don't know what's happening.
Oh, shit, so yeah. That's that. We're just
shit, son.
we're gonna say goodbye for now, and we're going to hop into another
Should
episode.
we do like
and we'll do a 4th episode in this run.
Should we do like the Family Von Trapp, like when they said goodnight? You know, maybe show
Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Da 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 da. Dude, my mom fucking loved Gone with the Wind.
Gone with the Wind.
We saw a lot. We were talking about that
Your
a lot.
mother was racist.
The hills are alive with the sound of music. That was it. That was the
Yeah,
movie.
my mother loved it too, and then I grew up, and I was just like, oh, it's okay. Story-wise, it's pretty cool.
Yeah,
If you can get past the
like-
musical stuff.
I don't mind
It's
musicals.
You can get around it,
Yeah, I don't mind
Dude, was
musicals.
I alone? But I thought Julie Andrews back in the day was fucking hot. When she played Mary Poppins, I was like, ooh, she's hot.
You wanted to stick your chimney sweep up in her umbrella
I wanted to
stand.
see what kind of tricks she had in her bag.
But anyway, on that, we'll
When the
see
lights
you
went
later.
down, and I'm like, chim chimmery, chim chimmery, chim chim charoo. I have you naked. Let's see what I can do.
Nothing, because you end up
No,
coming
because
3
I had the
seconds in.
smallest chimney sweep ever.
You're like, hey!